All right, we're back with another Canva apps tutorial here. This time we're going to work with charts. We're going to add charts to our designs right inside of Canva. Check it out. All right, so in today's tutorial, what we're going to do is we're going to go to apps and we're going to go to charts, and we're going to decide what type of a chart that we want to put into our design. So if you had a school-wide poll or a classroom poll of what type of music you like the best, we might do a pie chart here. So when you click on it, what it's going to do is it's going to give you this already good looking chart, and it's going to ask you to provide the data over here. You can upload from Google Sheets. All right, you could upload the data in a CSV file. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change this up just to show you what it looks like. I'll be right back. All right, as you can see over here, I changed the labels to the different genres, and I put some data in there, and it automatically changes the pie chart. So we have something that we could present to staff or students, and it looks awesome. So we could easily go up and add any type of text there and put a title as to what this is showing, but I think you get the point. And it's just super easy to use and add data to our already awesome looking presentations.